Welcome to the first training module video regarding the digital platform. In this training module, I will explain the setup of the digital platform for therapists, followed by an explanation of the usage and setup for patients. Let's start with the setup for therapists. You have received an email invitation. In this email, you will find a link. Click on this link to confirm your registration. Accept your invitation by providing a password. Click on Confirm. Sign in to the digital platform by using your email and password. Click on Sign In. Welcome to the therapist's dashboard. Here you can find an overview of your users and their personal details. Next, I will show you how to create a new user. Click on the New User button in the top right corner. On this screen, you can fill in the personal details of the new user, the name, email, and clinic code. Click on Create New User after filling in the information. The new user has been added to your user overview. On the right-hand side, you can find the 3 buttons regarding the game settings, user profile, or one allowing you to delete the user. The next step is to assign a game to a user. Click on the Games Overview button. Here you see in grey all the possible games you can assign to a user. Click on the grey plus button to select the game. Here you can configure the games as needed according to the available properties. For example, choosing the advised amount of weekly sessions. Press the Save button after filling in the necessary information. Back at the patient dashboard, the assigned game turns green. As a therapist, you can view the daily goals, weekly goals, and patient activity here. As we have now added a new user and assigned a game to this user, I will switch to show you how to set up as a user. You will have received an email invitation. In this email, you can find a link. Click on this link to confirm your registration. Accept your invitation by providing a nickname and password. Click on Confirm. Sign in to the digital platform by using your email and password. Click on the Sign In button. Welcome to the user dashboard. Here you can view your assigned games, your daily and weekly goals, and your activity to date. Click on the plus button in the green square to view the specific game details. Here you can find the therapist's recommendations, the game tutorial, and the game configuration settings. Go to the right top corner to close the screen. Next, I will show you how to download a game. Go to the user dashboard and click on your nickname in the right top corner. Click on the platform loader to download the application. Go to the Prime-VR2 download folder on your device and click on the Prime-VR2 platform loader file to start the application. Log in with your nickname and password. Welcome to the game's dashboard. On the left, you can see an overview of your assigned games. To download a game, click on one of the game names on the left and click on the Download button in the bottom right-hand corner. The download may take a while. In the meantime, set up your VR headset. When the download is finished, you can click on the Start button in the bottom right corner. Now you can start the game. Good luck!